Didn't actually mean to start it this early, so I apologize that we're starting a little earlier than sunrise, but I was trying to check the time and accidentally hit start, so we're starting. So today is the first sunrise video of the new year, and you've heard a lot about 2020 being a terrible year and everybody excited about 2021 coming in, and I am too. I mean, I gotta admit, 2020 was definitely a unique year, and so everybody makes New Year's resolutions. They're excited about the new fresh start. And something I was thinking about yesterday was that yesterday was not the best day for me, for lots of reasons. But and I was thinking, really, while each year is a new fresh start and new perspective, so is every day. And so just because yesterday was a bad day doesn't mean today has to be. And it's a chance to have a fresh start, take a new perspective. So if yesterday, or last week, or last year was a bad year, bad day, bad moment with your boss, your husband, your sister, whoever it happens to be, today's a new beginning. It's a fresh start. Chance to look at it with a new perspective and way of looking at how you can look at it a new way and how you might make today better. Which is probably why I love the sunrises so much, because it is a fresh start every day. It's a miracle the sun comes up. It's exciting every time it comes up. And it's a chance for a new perspective and a new day and a new way. It's kind of like a fresh chalkboard. You ever see like a chalkboard after it's just brushed clean, but then we take water to it and we actually make it black again? And how exciting that is. And it's kind of like you can't wait to draw on it again. It's kind of a new day. So I hope you guys have a great day, whatever it happens to be. I'm hoping my day today is better than yesterday's. And at least I have hope for it. I have a new fresh look and a fresh start to it. So hope everybody has a great day. I'm going to let you guys hopefully watch at least the beginning of the sunrise. It's crazy cloudy today, so I don't know if we'll see one, but in any case, you can listen to the birds. The geese are flying over now. And no waves at all today. It is like a lake, but quite beautiful. So have a great day, everybody, and have a great 2021. Alright everybody, I'm going to start my day. If you're just joining us, I talked a little bit today just about fresh perspectives and my crappy day yesterday and how today's going to be a better one. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I hope yesterday was great too and that you don't really need a fresh perspective, but it doesn't look like the sun is actually going to show today with all the clouds. So I'm going to go ahead and sign off. Hope you guys have a great day and I'll see you soon. See you next week.